Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come up with a very refreshing and a simple pudding recipe. Tender coconut pudding. So let's quickly check out the ingredients. Pulp of 2 tender coconuts. Half cup tender coconut water. 1 cup of full fat milk. 200 ml of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 10 grams of agar-agar, approximately 1 cup of water, 3 to 5 cherries for garnish. First, cut the agar-agar stripes into small pieces. If you're taking agar-agar in form of powder, then you can absolutely skip this step and directly add the powder to the milk while cooking. Now soak the agar-agar in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, grind the coconut pulp and the coconut water into a fine paste and transfer the mix into another bowl. Now heat a pan and put the soaked agar-agar and cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes until it melts completely. Keep stirring the mix. After 10 minutes, you can see that the agar-agar has started to melt into the water completely. Now keep the flame low and add the milk and condensed milk to the mixture. Here you can even replace the milk with fresh coconut milk as well if you like. Keep stirring the mix continuously so that the mix won't stick at the bottom. Add sugar. At this stage you can check the sweetness and add more or less sugar as per your choice. Don't worry if you see any bubbles or lumps in the mix. You can use a strainer to get rid of any such lumps. Here I have strained and transferred the mix into another bowl. Now slowly add the coconut and coconut water mix which we prepared earlier into the milk mixture and mix well. Now transfer the mix into the molds or cups whichever you want to use to set the pudding. Here I am using silicone muffin cups. Make sure whenever you are transferring the mixture into the cups there are no lumps or bubbles in it. Now keep this mix into the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes to set. After 15 minutes you can see the pudding is set and ready to demold. Just pull the sides and push them with your fingers from the bottom and flip. They will come out very easily. See how pretty and refreshing they look. You can leave them as it is or even garnish them with a cherry on top. Your tender coconut pudding is now ready to serve. Wasn't this an easy recipe? Do try this at home and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching and see you all soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.